Hi guys, I'm Ihan. I'm a second grade student. Currently, I'm working on a project on rainforests. It will be inside this box. It's a shoebox I found in the closet when I was looking for a box for my project. Well, we're gonna take off this and it won't be looking like a normal shoebox on the inside anymore. Here is the mountain, and there's also a slope to make it look realistic, and a plain land, which is made from foam. My dad helped me make the mountains. To do that, he used an electric foam cutter. It's dangerous to use an electric foam cutter for kids. Make sure they have adult supervision. It will look like, so the mountains will be like right here, and it will look like this when it's inside the box, except for that. I'll be colored green with this paint right here, because the mountains have a lot of trees on them, so they have to be green. There will be a river coming down from these two mountains, and it goes to somewhere in the world. The land would be green, of course, because the grass. I'm going to place down some trees and some animals on it to make it actually look like it's a forest. And this is acrylic, so we have to kind of mix it with water. So we have a cup of water right here. We're done laying out the paint. Now we have to take our paintbrush, kind of wet it in the water, and now take some paint and start painting the mountains. We have to paint them one by one. Like first do one, and then we're gonna leave it to dry, and then do another one. So let's first do the mountains. So now we have to do the mountains. So we're gonna painting. This is now done, so we're gonna keep it aside for now for it to dry, and then we're gonna start painting the rest. This one's now done, so we're gonna have to put it aside now. Now that we're done with the mountain and the slope, we're gonna have to do the plain land, which means now we're gonna have to start off not with the dark green, but with the bright green. So let's take some of the bright green now, and now let's start painting it. Only thing remaining now is the water from the plain land. So all I have to do now is just start painting. Now it's done, and all you have to do is place down the trees and animals. We're done with the land, but we still have to put down the trees. We still have to put down the trees and animals. But we cannot simply just put any animal. You have to figure out if they belong to the rainforest. Their habitat is the rainforest. Hi, this is my sister Afri. She just wanted to sit here, and we've got the forest all done. But now you have to put down the animals, and we're gonna put them in normally where there be, like birds in the trees, frogs near the water, monkeys also in the trees, Jaguar hiding near the trees. Alligator in the water, snake near the water. My project is now finally done. There are mountains and rivers. There are lots of trees and animals. So it's done. Thank you.